वेल इट्स एन अमेजिंग मूवी. मैंने फिल्म देखी हुई है कि मामी को ओपन किया था हमने, तो बड़े पर्दे पे मैंने इस फिल्म को अपनी फिल्म को मैंने कभी भी इतना एंजॉय नहीं किया. आई रियली एंजॉयड वॉचिंग द फिल्म एंड आई न्यू कि कोंकणा एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन फिल्म बनाएगी, ये तो हमको पहले से ही मालूम था. और एंड शी हैज़ डन दैट एंड आई एम वेरी प्लीज्ड विद इट. वो तो लोग देखेंगे तो खुद ही समझ जाएंगे. मैं नहीं मतलब मुझे तो कुछ मैसेज दिखाई नहीं दिया क्योंकि शायद मैं थोड़ा अनपढ़ गवार टाइप का आदमी हूँ. बट इट्स वैसे कोई ऐसे हिडन मैसेजेस नहीं है ज़िंदगी में, लेकिन अक्सर आपसी रिश्तों में आप किसी के रिश्ते दो लोगों के बीच का रिश्ता देखेंगे तो उसमें से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल जाता है. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे अवसर है इसमें, बहुत सारे सीन सिनेरियोज है, रिलेशनशिप्स है, जिसको देख के शायद आपको एक दो पॉइंटर्स मिल सकते हैं कि ऐसा करें या ऐसा ना करें. बट द फिल्म इज़ नॉट मेंट टू बी अ सोशल मैसेज. इट्स अ स्टोरी दैट जो कोंकणा ने सुनी थी उनके पिताजी की ज़ुबानी, और उसको पर्दे पे उन्होंने रियलाइज़ किया. Sure, it's a very good movie. Please come and watch it. You will not regret it. Hey you guys, A Death in the Gunge is releasing on the 2nd of June in a theatre close to you. I know it's a limited release, so the theatre may not be that very close to you, but still come in large numbers, tell your friends about it, get your family and watch this movie. You will not regret it. It's a good film. Cheers.
जी. I'm more than excited. I'm nervous actually. I am very nervous that most of the people out here, I've worked with them, some of them, और mostly मैं सबको जानता हूँ यहाँ पे, तो you know they are friends. और ये आए हैं पहली बार फिल्म देखने, तो काफ़ी नर्वसनेस ज़्यादा हो रही है एक्साइटमेंट से. जी, मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि आपने ट्रेलर अगर देखा है, अगर आपको ट्रेलर पसंद आया है, और हमारी एंसेम्बल बहुत अच्छी है, हम सब ने मेहनत से काफ़ी काम किया है इस पर, तो अगर आपका मन हो तो प्लीज़ आप आके देखिएगा फिल्म. आई एम श्योर आप निराश नहीं होंगे, आपको फिल्म अच्छी लगेगी. ठीक है. Hi guys, the film releases on 2nd June at a theatre near you. Please try and watch the film. Thanks.
बाय एंड लार्ज तो अच्छी रिस्पांस मिली है अब तक. आई मीन बाहर भी जब दिखाए हैं, यहाँ पे भी जब दिखाए हैं फिल्म, पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस मिली है बाय एंड लार्ज. No, I'm very happy कि finally our film has a release on the 2nd of June. I'm really excited. You know, it's a small film and sometimes it's difficult, you know, to find proper distribution. But I'm very happy because the journey has come, you know, full circle now. And I can't wait to get the reaction of people from here to see how they like the film. एक्चुअली एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता, अभी तक प्लान कुछ नहीं किए हैं, बट आई थिंक दोनों ही करेंगे थोड़ा बहुत. थैंक यू.
I loved it. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I think the direction, the acting, the art direction sucks you into the world of the 70s. For those of us who are old enough to have grown up in the 70s, it really absorbs you completely and it reminds you of that time. I think the writing and the direction is superb. So, a huge round of applause to the team. Yes, I think everyone should come out and watch this film. It's not very often that we're able to experiment with cinema of different types, and I think this is definitely an experience that Indian audiences will enjoy. Very absorbing, gripping film. Yes, it was so lovely to see him in the film. I mean, we all have looked up to and respected Omji, you know, all our lives. And to watch him in action once again in one of his last performances is a lovely experience. Thank you.
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी. I think it's a brilliant debut for Konkana as a director, and everybody has performed so well. It's a wonderful film. Must watch. Everything. I can't pick up one thing. I think everything from performance to the technical departments to the direction to the story, everything is brilliantly done.
Sir,
Yeah, I've already said that. I think it's a must watch. Everybody should go and appreciate this beautiful film. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छी लगी और मैं बहुत इम्प्रेस हो गया। कोंकणा से तो मैं वैसे ही प्रभावित था उसकी बेहतरीन एक्टिंग की वजह से, और उसने एक नया ही डायमेंशन दिखाया अपना एज ए फिल्म मेकर। बहुत ही बेहतरीन फिल्म है, बहुत बेहतरीन काम किया है सब ने, और बड़ी अजीब सी फिल्म है। मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि ऑडियंस को पसंद आएगी। अब कोई इंसान ये दोनों भी हो सकता है, मेरे ख्याल से वो दोनों ही में पूरे नंबर कमा रही है। उनकी याद तो ताज़ा रहती है हमेशा। ओम तो हमारे साथ ही है, जहाँ भी हो बस उसकी आत्मा की शांति के लिए दुआ करते हैं। उसकी याद तो हर रोज़ आती है। मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जो भी लोग इस फिल्म में भरोसा करेंगे और इसको देखने जाएंगे, बिल्कुल किसी तरह से निराश नहीं होंगे। और इस तरह की फिल्मों को सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है, क्योंकि इनके पीछे बहुत बड़ा बजट नहीं होता, कोई बड़े प्रोड्यूसर नहीं होते, तो और ऐसी फिल्मों को सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होती है। आप ज़रूर देखें, बहुत पसंद आएगी आपको। डेथ इन द गंज।
I absolutely loved it. I think it's been a really long time I've seen such a beautiful film made here. It's exceptionally good. I think Coco's debut doesn't look like a debut. Every detail of the film, the pace of the film is so incredible, is so measured. The equations, the relations, every scene is so pivotal to the plot, and I mean, and how it builds. I really liked that, and it engaged me thoroughly, completely, and it disturbed me internally a lot. Every performance was very good, and it was shot beautifully. Everything came together. I really loved it. Sorry? Yes, the movie is releasing on 2nd of June. Do not miss it, because it's really a very good film, and you must not miss it. Thank you.
I love Coco's work, Konkana's work as an actor, and I can't believe this is her first film because it's so beautifully directed, and she's got such an amazing team together. I think every single person in her team is fantastic. The actors are also so amazing. I think when an amazing actor like Coco directs actors, then I think she's obviously going to bring out the best in them. But it's such a beautiful, sensitive story. It makes you really think a lot. And yeah, it's really beautiful. But double? More than double. And also for Abhishek and Honey, it's their first production. And to back a film like this and to sort of, to back the entire team and to make sure that it happens and it gets released so beautifully, I think that's really cool. So I hope they'll make more such movies.
It's lovely. It's wonderful. It's got so much atmosphere. The actors are lovely. I think Coco's done an amazing job writing this film and directing this film, and the setting is superb. Every single cast member, Vikrant Massey, Gulshan, Ranveer, Kalki, Tilottama, fantastic. Even the little girl Arya Sharma, she's fantastic. I mean, they're all wonderful. They're all amazing. It's a great film. Very rare to see a film like this, which has got so much kind of like mood, and it's very nice. I'm saying don't plan, just go. If you're planning to go for the movie, just go for the movie. It's if you like quality cinema, you want to see something which is kind of a blast from the past, I think it's a wonderful film, and it should be seen by as many people who will go and see something like this in the theatres. Don't wait. Thank you.
Yes. It was stunning. I really loved it. It was fantastic. It's great. I mean, it's all the little bits and pieces of the film came together in a really phenomenal way. I think the writing was really strong. Therefore, the film is strong from that, and it has a very clear point of view and a directorial touch to it. It's really enjoyable watch. please go and spend money on films like this. We need all the help we can get. Thank you.